Here we have question 18. In Romania, we're dealing with the supply of pigs, and it fluctuates. Given this information in terms of PN, we're told population 0 and population 1. So let's solve this difference equation. So if I multiply and bring across, I'll get PN minus 3/4, PN minus 1, and minus 1/4 of PN minus 2. That will be equal to 0. Multiply by 4, we get 4PN minus 3 PN minus 1 minus PN minus 2. We have consecutive terms here. So 4x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Does this factorize? 4x by x. 1 by 1. We want minus 3x, so there's minus 4x plus 1 minus 3x. Does factorize. So alpha is equal to 1 over 4, minus 1 over 4 in fact, and beta is equal to 1. So L is supposed to be a plus, L plus M is equal to P0, which in this case is 5 million. I'll just write it as 5M. And then P1 is going to be alpha minus 1 over 1/4 times L plus M times beta, which is going to be M, and that's going to be equal to this 3.75 million here. Multiplying this by 4, we get minus L plus 4M is equal to 4 of those will be 15 million. I can bring the top line down. Minus L plus M is equal to 5 mil. 5M, I should probably change this as we don't want 2 M's, bad maths. 5M is equal to 20 million. So M is equal to 4 million. So that would make L 4 and 1. L will be equal to 1 million. So TN is going to be, or PN, TN, we can call it, let's say PN, it's what they want. We're going to have alpha minus 1 over 4 to the power of N times L times 1 million. And then plus beta, which is 1, so it's just going to be plus M plus the 4 million. So, solving it, draw a graph for the first 4 years. So let's have a look and then describe the fluctuations and find the limit. So what are they really asking us to do here? The limit of this will tend to 0. So the limit is 4 million. So if we put 1 0 up to 4 into our calculator to find the 4 values, we'll get the following. What's happening here, it's not a proper, like, it is a proper graph, but it's what's happening with the curves. They're getting very, very close to this limit that we said of 4 million. So the population fluctuates, but has a tendency, and as the further along we go along, it won't deviate too much off the 4 million line.